We are going to learn Perek Vav Mishnah Dalid. As an introduction, in this Mishnah we are going to discuss the Shivas Haminim, the 7 special food items that Eretz Yisrael is praised with. They are chita, wheat, sa'ira, barley, gefen, grapes, te'ena, figs, rimain, pomegranates, zayis, olives, and devash, dates. However, when the Torah lists these 7 items, the Torah says the word Eretz, which means earth, and then lists the first 5 items. Then the Torah says the word Eretz a second time and lists the last 2 items. The reason that this is important is because if you want to determine which food item of the Shivas Haminim are more significant than the other, that will be determined in how close that food item is to the word Eretz. So in listing them in order of significance, they would actually be listed as chita, wheat, zayis, olives, sa'ira, barley, devash, dates, gefen, grapes, te'ena, figs, and rimain, pomegranates. So begins our Mishnah that if a person has multiple food items that have the same bracha, on which item should he take first and make the bracha? So says Rabbi Yehuda that if amongst them you have an item of the Shivas Haminim, then you should make a bracha on it first. So for example, if a person has an apple and a pomegranate and he wants to eat both of them, Rabbi Yehuda holds that he should take the pomegranate and on it he should make the bracha of Bayrei Pri Ha'etz. Now, if a person has multiple food items from the Shivas Haminim, for example, if he has a pomegranate and he has an olive, on which one should he take first and make the bracha on it? So then you would take the zayis, the olive, because the olive is the first one listed after the second eretz, and the pomegranate is the 5th one after the first eretz. So an olive would go before a pomegranate. However, comes the Chachamim, and they argue and say that any time that you have 2 food items, it doesn't matter if one of them are from the Shivas Haminim, the person should choose whichever one he, the person making the bracha, likes more, and on it, he should make the bracha. We are now going to read the Mishnah inside. Hayu lefanav, if there were in front of him, minim harbe, many kinds of fruits, for example, an apple and a pomegranate. Rabbi Yehuda says, im yesh beinehem, if there is between them, mimin shiva, a fruit from the Shivas Haminim, mefarech alav, he makes the bracha on it. He would then make the bracha on the pomegranate. V'chachamim oimrim, and the chachamim say, mevarech, he makes the bracha, al eizeh mehem, on whichever of them sheyirtza that he wants. And if he likes the apple more than the pomegranate, then he would make the bracha of Bayrei Pri Ha'etz on the apple.